Good morning. How the devil are you doing this fine day? Me, hoping today will be a little cooler. It was scorching on site yesterday afternoon, as you will see later in the show. Our show today is filled to the rafters with demolition and construction news, views, action, and sadly, incidents. So without further ado, let's roll the intro and get this show on the road. Welcome to the Breakfast Show. I'm your host, Mark Anthony. It's Wednesday, the 8th of September, and as that ever-present guy just said, welcome to the Breakfast Show. I am your host, Mark Anthony. In today's show, a Sheraton Hotel checks out in Atlanta in fairly spectacular style, actually. We get on site with CJ Charlton Group and their latest kit. There are excavator accidents and incidents. Plantforce shines a light on safety, and if you stick around to the end, we have a sneak peek at something big that is headed this way. But first, let's see who among the rich and the shameless will be celebrating a birthday on this day of days.
Happy birthday!
It's many happy returns to English monarch Richard the Lionheart, to the irreplaceable goon Peter Sellers, and also to singer Patsy Cline, to Welsh footballer Gary Speed, and to Sherlock actor Martin Freeman. And happy birthday also to one of those musicians that gets by with just a single name, Pink. Many happy returns to them, one and all. A former Sheraton Hotel just outside the Atlanta airport has met a spectacular end. The Department of Aviation imploded the 14-story structure at Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport earlier this week, and we've got some great exclusive footage of that blast. Woo indeed, sir. Yeah, the remaining components of the former hotel and conference centre will be demolished through more traditional means by November of this year.
The Miller GT series heralds a new era of unrivaled power and cutting-edge intelligent coupler technology, increasing job site safety, machine versatility, and productivity. It's the added versatility that you need at the value you can afford. To find out more, visit millergroundbreaking.com.
If you were here yesterday, you will know that as the show was ending, I was packing my camera bag and my PPE to head out on site. I was off to meet up with Chris Charlton and the team at CJ Charlton Group, which is currently demolishing an entire terrace of shops in Addleston in Surrey, just up the road from here, actually. It's always good to catch up with Chris. His company isn't the biggest, but he has already established a reputation for doing things in the right way. But I was really there to check out the latest additions to his equipment fleet. CJ Charlton Group is one of the rising stars of the UK demolition industry. So when we heard they were working just up the road from Demolition News Towers, we thought we'd pop by to take a look. And it's a perfect time to do so. They've got a new Hitachi 210, they've got a new Dahako grab, and they've got a new ram guard on that 210, supplied by Rich Holt at AR Demolition. Let's take a look. Congratulations to Chris Charlton and his team on their latest equipment purchase and on another job well done. And thanks for allowing us on site, Chris. Earlier this week, my social media feed lit up with people sharing a photo of a demolition excavator that had clearly fallen into an unseen basement. I was then sent the same photo once, twice, and ultimately probably a dozen times. The sign writing on the machine made it clear that the machine was owned by KDC contractors. Now, I know KDC's Martin O'Donnell to be an honest and honourable man. So rather than just pasting this photo all over the show, I reached out to Martin to get the full story. He has since explained that the investigation into the accident is ongoing. The accident actually took place at the STDC site, Upper Teesside. So the company has actually issued a holding statement while the investigation takes place, and it reads: "The safety of our people is incredibly important to KDC, and the company has an excellent safety record in the demolition industry. Following an incident on an industrial site in South Tees on Wednesday, the 1st of September, we can confirm that our operator received medical treatment and is making a good recovery. We are fully cooperating with the HSE, and we are carrying out an investigation to determine the cause of the incident." And no one wants incidents and accidents, but when they happen, I think it's vital that a thorough investigation takes place and that the company in question shares any lessons that might be learned. So while I hate reporting on incidents, it is pleasing to note KDC's professional response. Sadly, there appears to have been a rather less professional response to a second incident in which an excavator inexplicably found itself on its roof, not once, but twice. Let me see if I can get this to play.
What's this up there, mate?
Oh!
Oh!
Oh! Why not put the switch there?
I thought he was going to explode or something. Ah, get them gates open. Thing is, it's scrappy on.
Oye, tuyo. Tuyo.
Nice, then. Oh,
Yeah.
mate. It's going to rock back though, isn't it?
Tuyo.
Not bad. Fucking fair play to that man.
No.
Someone needs to get in it now. Get the driver back. Tell him to get in it.
Maybe one and the machine for leave the arm down. Hey, maybe one machine leave the arm. Leave the arm. Maybe leave the arm.
I have so many questions about that. First of all, how did the machine find itself upside down on what was virtually level ground? Had the operator attempting to right the machine actually thought through his rescue plan? And I guess most importantly, is the operator of the overturned machine okay? But my biggest takeaway, I think, is this. When did we become an industry and a society that greets incidents and accidents, not with a helping hand, but with a mobile phone with which to capture the incident for posterity? Thankfully, although some people see accidents as an opportunity for YouTube fame, there are some companies that are actively working to eradicate incidents from the industry. One such company is Plantforce Rentals, which has formed a partnership with FTC Group and installed one of the company's pedestrian detection systems on a Plantforce excavator. Let's take a look. Like the system from our show sponsor, FOSS, FTC's pedestrian detection camera provides operators with a clear and simple visual and audible alarm that notifies them of people encroaching upon the machine's working area. Great to see Plantforce investing in safety, and also great to see our mate Dale Hawkins making a cameo in that video.
Sorry to interrupt the guy with the funny glasses, but if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button as it helps our channel. Or, better still, share this video with a friend or a colleague. Thank you. Right, back to Beardy.
Right, what are you doing on the 23rd of September? Well, as of this morning, I know precisely what I'll be doing. Intriguing, right? We will keep you posted on that as we hear more. That pretty much wraps up this morning's show. I will roll the outro in just a second before jumping over into the chat to see what's cooking today. I'll also be back here on the morrow, same time, same place, for more of this old stuff and nonsense. I'm also going live on Instagram today for our regular No Agenda show. I'm aiming for noon, but I do have a couple of errands to run, so bear with me. I may be a minute or two late. But that's a No Agenda show over on Instagram Live. No idea what the subject of the chat will be. Maybe we'll just hang out and see what comes up. But until then, have a great day. Look after yourself, your family, your friends, and your colleagues. And thanks for watching.